We're gonna make the balloon walk instead of fly away. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Can you fill up this balloon for me?
Yes.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3,
Wait,
land.
let's just turn this and it's gonna walk. Ready?
I like to fly.
Oh, you like the flying? Okay. Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Sami and today I'm here with...
Mr. Hero.
That's right, I'm here with Mr. Hero. Today, we're gonna make a balloon walk. That's so weird, right?
Well, blue.
We're gonna make the balloon walk instead of fly away. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So for today's video, you need one CD, you need a cap with a little hole inside, you need a hot glue gun. Make sure you guys have adult supervision when using this. And lastly, you need one balloon. Hero, are you ready?
Yes.
So firstly, you're gonna take your CD and your bottle cap and you're just gonna hot glue it like this. Okay, Hero, I'm gonna do that, okay?
Okay. You give me it.
Okay, hold on. So you're just gonna put the glue on the edges. You're gonna do this very carefully and make sure you have an adult when using a hot glue gun. Then you're gonna flip it over. You're gonna flip it over and you're gonna put it onto CD. Just for some extra protection, you can also put glue on the side of the bottle cap so that the bottle cap doesn't come flying off. Okay, we're almost done this step.
Hooray!
All done. Now you can unplug your hot glue gun and put it to the side. Hero, can you fill up this balloon for me?
Yes.
Use all your power. Come on, you got this. I needed it a little bit bigger.
You do.
Okay, we're gonna fill up this balloon. 1 second. Now that I filled the balloon with air, I'm just gonna turn it a little bit so that the air stays inside. But make sure you do not tie it, okay? Now, Hero, can you hold the CD down?
Yes.
From over here, okay? Now, I'm just gonna put the top of this on top of the CD. Uh-oh! It ripped, Hero.
Why?
I don't know why it ripped, but it ripped. Okay, friends, now that we've got the balloon on top of the cap, I'm gonna let go of the balloon, but make sure before you do let go that it is fully on from all sides.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3,
Wait,
land.
let's just turn this balloon. Okay, friends, now that the balloon is not tangled, I'm gonna let go of it. Ready? And it's gonna walk. Ready? Set. That's so cool! How is it doing that? It's walking, Hero. Hero, did you like that?
I like to fly.
Oh, you like the flying? Okay. Thanks for joining us on today's mini experiment with making a balloon walk.
Blue. You like that?
Goodbye.
Bye. Let's do that again.
Mwah.
Bye. Let's do that again.